Instagram has added a new text-based feature called Notes. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Instagram Notes. Now let's get started. Instagram Notes are text posts that will disappear after 24 hours. You can put up to 60 characters in one note, and you can only post one note at a time. Instagram Notes will appear at the top of your direct message inbox and are only visible to followers who you follow back, or you can restrict a note to close friends only. To post a note on Instagram, first make sure your Instagram app is updated to the newest version. Then open Instagram and go to your direct message inbox. You should see the new Notes section at the top. To post a new note, tap the plus sign on the left of the Notes section. Type in what you'd like your note to say. You can use up to 60 characters, including spaces. Now you can choose whether you'd like to share it with followers you follow back, or just the people on your close friends list. When you're ready, tap Share. Your note will appear at the top of your Notes section, and only the people in the group you selected will be able to read it. Just like Stories, your note will disappear automatically after 24 hours. If you tap your current note, you can replace it with a new note or delete it. That's all it takes to post notes on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.